Hello everybody, hopefully you are doing well and enjoying a great weekend. In this week, our discussion topic is in which way non-profits communication practice can reflect and shape the identity and the value of organizations. First and foremost, I would like to mention about this advocacy strategy uh, and the transparency here because as far as I'm concerned about it, that is we are living in digital era. So I think this advocacy have to follow some rules here, as our beneficiaries, our stakeholders have several mentality and several mindset. So I think in this case have to follow their regional tone and tendency, their demands, and have to go through to interact with them by a particular strategy. It will be different from region to region, community to community, and have to follow which ages people and which persons we are going to develop them. Actually, this project how will help and which will be our beneficiaries. This important to maintain this advocacy process and to maintain this transparency. In this transparency sector, I would like to say that as have to go through for a long time. So I think for maintaining a huge fund and to elaborate distribute it among beneficiaries, these challenges, their fund amount and their budget, how actually they will work, their project descriptions is important to describe among these stakeholders, beneficiaries, and donor. So that will make transparent situation among these non-profits organization, that will help them to be more valuable. And another thing here is that consistent messaging, I think it's important because if in organizations can up to date make conversation with their stakeholders and connect with their publics, definitely they will aware about these organizations and can learn about their upcoming activities and which actually or their achievements they can learn. So it's also important to maintain interactive communication with stakeholders, donors, and the beneficiaries. Now I'm saying about the model of today's topic as transmission model and social construction models was described. In my opinion, I'm suggesting this social construction model here for this non-profit organization because I think this transmission model is just in sender receivers model. It can't connect every unintentional ways or every interactive human communication. So for collecting every person's here to maintain good relation among every parties of non-profit organizations, I think it's we have to go through by social constructionist view, because in this social constructionist perspectives we can make interactions between among everybody. We can make great communication practice and have to follow a particular communication tactics to maintain this, and this for this leadership, labor management, challenges, crisis management in every sector. I think if we go through by the social constructionist view, then we can maintain a good communication practice in non-profits that will help us to reflect and shape the identity and value of our particular organizations. That's all. Thanks a lot, everybody.